Well, well, well. Look who showed up. Here we go again, Jake. Don't start none, won't be none, okay? So I'm about to make my coffee. Christmas mug. I really like these mugs. They're deep and I like them. And they're heavy too. They're not like flimsy. This is the creamer I'm going to use. I normally don't even put sugar in my coffee. A lot of times I usually just have creamer, but I feel like putting sugar in it this morning. This is the coffee I'm going to be. The Great Value Donut Shop. Okay, so y'all can make breakfast with me this morning. I am making some biscuits and sausage, and I'm gonna make some home fries. So I cut up, well, Amaya cut up, when she cut up the potatoes for Thanksgiving, I had pulled some of those potatoes out because it was just us. And I said, well, you know, we could use these for another day. And so I pulled them, you know, in this bowl and covered them with water. And here we go. And that's bacon grease in there.
I'm going to say
So the gratin potatoes are out. The ham is out, and I made a big pot of collard greens yesterday for today, and I left a little bit out to go in a smaller pot, and I'm freezing the rest. So dinner is ready. I was gonna make some cornbread, but I don't feel like it. So I have a lot to do this week. So yeah, if only y'all knew all the things I gotta do this week. I am changing the kids' rooms around. I got new furniture for them, ordered furniture for them, so I'm gonna be having to get all that stuff together and get their rooms ready. That's what they want for Christmas, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. So yeah, that'll be that. But yeah, I'll be back a little later.
That's it for Vlogmas Day 2. Hit the like. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bells to get notified when we upload another Vlogmas video. And yeah. Bye.
What's today?
Vlogmas Day 2.
No, what else is today? Today's what?
Her day.
Hair day.